Welcome to our creative space. We're excited to share inspiring ideas and tips on turning unique materials into beautiful crafts. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest projects, tutorials, and exclusive content. Join our community and start creating amazing things today. Today, we explore transforming deformed wood into a profitable craft and home decor business. Many see irregular, deformed wood as waste, but artisans recognize its unique beauty. Its knots, twists, and uneven grains tell a story of nature's resilience. By repurposing these imperfections, you create eco-friendly, authentic products that add character to homes. Consumers increasingly prefer handcrafted, sustainable items, making this a lucrative opportunity. Whether you're experienced or new, understanding how to utilize deformed wood can open creative and financial doors. This hub aims to inspire you to see deformed wood as an asset, not a flaw, helping develop innovative ways to monetize its natural features. From small decorative objects to statement furniture, countless options exist to give these irregular pieces a second life. Join us for tips, ideas, and strategies to turn nature's irregularities into beautiful, profitable decor. Creating small accessories from deformed wood offers lucrative opportunities and product diversification. Coasters, candle holders, plant stands, and key racks showcase natural textures and irregular shapes. These items are attractive in gift shops, online stores, and eco-conscious markets. Finishing with oils, stains, or sealants enhances their appearance. Personalization options, like engravings, add sentimental value, making them ideal gifts. Packaging and branding should emphasize their handcrafted, sustainable nature and tell the story of transformation. Small accessories are perfect for seasonal markets, craft fairs, and online sales, appealing to diverse customers. Collaborations with designers can inspire new designs and expand your range. With strategic marketing and craftsmanship, deformed wood accessories can become a profitable staple. They help reach wider markets and position your brand as a provider of unique, eco-friendly, handcrafted decor. Effective marketing is key to making your deformed wood creations profitable. Emphasize sustainability by showcasing how repurposing irregular wood reduces waste. Share stories about each piece's origin, craftsmanship, and uniqueness. Use high-quality images and videos on social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest to attract attention. Partner with interior designers and influencers to expand visibility. Develop a brand narrative centered on authenticity and environmental responsibility, resonating with consumers seeking meaningful decor. Offering custom options, like personalized engravings, can attract premium clients. Attend craft fairs and expos to display your work and connect directly with buyers. Building a loyal customer base takes time but is essential for growth. Consistent branding, quality products, and excellent service will build your reputation. Strategic marketing turns deformed wood into highly desirable decor, helping expand your reach and increase sales. Strong sales channels and marketing strategies are vital for scaling your deformed woodcraft business. Set up an online store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or social media to reach a broad audience. Use professional photos, detailed descriptions, and storytelling to showcase each product's uniqueness. Participate in local craft fairs, markets, and expos to gain direct customer feedback. Collaborate with interior designers, boutique hotels, or cafes to reach new markets. Offer custom orders or personalized options for higher-end clients. Leverage social media marketing by sharing behind-the-scenes content and customer stories. Building a loyal customer base takes time but is essential for growth. Consistent branding, product quality, and excellent service will help establish your reputation. Over time, these channels will expand your sales and market presence, turning your deformed wood creations into a thriving business. Thank you for visiting and supporting our craft journey. We truly appreciate your interest and encouragement. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe to stay connected and receive the latest updates. Your support motivates us to continue sharing creative ideas and inspiring projects. Thanks again for being part of our community.